first thing you do with the special stitch is you chain one. So you take your black and you hook it around, you loop it around your hook, and you pull up a loop. That is one chain right there. That is your chain. Okay, now let's pull out the stitch mark. Actually, we can just leave it out. All right, so now, and I like to keep the yarn pulled. Actually, so let's try keeping the yarn on the back and see what it looks like. It should actually kind of help keep the black more concealed behind the white. You'll notice on the red, I kept it on the front. So let's see how it looks on the back. All right, so yarn over, insert your hook, pull up a loop. Pull this tight, right? I like to hold it. I like to kind of like pinch it. Can you see that? And then finish the stitch with the black. And then drop it. Pick up the white, and you might need to tug it a little. And then same thing, yarn over, insert your hook, grab the yarn, pull up a loop. Make sure your tension is right. Pull up with the black. Hold on, there's too much going on there. Alright, let's try that again. Hopefully you don't have to deal with that.